Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the meter has fresh batteries and that the test strip port is clean. This avoids false readings. Once done, wash and dry your hands thoroughly and warm the finger you'll use to improve blood flow. Now insert a test strip fully into the slot. The meter powers on and recognizes the strip. You do this first so the device is ready and calibrated to the strip chemistry, which prevents wasted strips and saves time. You should set the lancing device depth to what's comfortable yet sufficient. A firmer setting gives a quicker drop. After pricking, wipe away the first drop because excess tissue fluid can skew results, then form a small, round drop. Next, touch the test strip edge to the drop. Capillary action draws blood into the chamber. Make sure to hold it steadily until the meter confirms sufficient volume, because incomplete fills trigger errors you'll wait a few seconds for the mg/dl result to appear. Note the time and value for tracking trends. If the meter shows an error, first check strip orientation and that the strip is fully inserted, then verify battery level and that the blood sample was large enough. If problems persist, replace the strip and try another finger. As a tip, keep strips sealed and at room temperature. Moisture or expired strips cause most failures, so replace them when compromised.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.